guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and giving you guys the approximate value of my Sephora Playbox from the month of March. Unfortunately, we are back to the shitty little plastic bags, which you guys know I am not a fan of. The theme for the month of March was Beauty in Bloom, and as always, every Sephora Playbox comes with a little card, so you can get 50 extra Beauty Insider points when you make a purchase within that month. And then this pamphlet folds out and becomes a handy dandy guide to everything that you got in your Sephora Playbox, why they picked it, and how to use it. The first product that I got is something I was so excited about because I have been looking for something like this for a while. Living in Florida, SPF and skincare and sunscreen and all of that is extremely important. You really do want to take care of your skin and you want to be wearing sunscreen every day, and I know that, and yet I don't, because it's hard to find a good sunscreen that you can wear with makeup, and you know the drill. So this is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. It says it's water and sweat resistant up to 40 minutes. You are supposed to apply it as the last step in your skincare routine and right before your makeup. I'm not sure if that means this constitutes as a primer or if you are supposed to apply this and then apply a primer. Not sure. I did apply a primer and then this, so we'll see how it wears today, because I've been trying it, switched it up a couple different ways, but so far I have really liked it. I was definitely afraid with the sunscreen in this product that it would give me really bad pores, like it would settle into my pores and make it super noticeable, which I have not had an issue with, thankfully. And then the other issue that I was worried about was the sunscreen smell. I have tried products with sunscreen in them, skincare products with sunscreen in them in the past, and that is always a huge issue, is the overwhelming sunscreen smell. It kind of just ruins the makeup vibe and really just makes me feel like cakey and gunky and like I'm just going to the beach, when I really just want to look cute but still protect my skin. So the formula of this is very nice. It does not settle into pores, like I said. It does not smell super crazy. The consistency is kind of silicone-y, which reminds me of like the Smashbox Photo Finish primers, which is amazing, and it doesn't leave my makeup looking weird or crazy or melty or any of that stuff, and it's protecting my skin. So I highly recommend this. I will continue to use this throughout the summer, and I will be repurchasing. Anyways, that was a lot. I just really like this product, but the approximate retail value is $6.40. I also got this Dry Bar Triple Sec 3-in-1. It is supposed to texturize, amplify, and refresh your hair. I have to admit, I have not used this just because my hair is currently extremely long, and stuff like this does not really work in long hair, if you know what I mean. Like, it's not so, I don't style my hair, I don't really curl my hair, I don't do a ton of like braiding or crazy stuff, like all of that, where I would need a product like this, so I have not used it. I am actually going to hold on to it though, because I'm planning on cutting my hair fairly short for summer or at the end of summer at some point soon, so I will try that out on my shorter hair and see if it works then, but for now I have not used it. But the approximate value is fairly good. It is $2.17. The next hair care product is one that I actually did try. This is the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. Y'all know I love dry shampoo. Batiste is kind of my go-to, but I would definitely consider purchasing this if it were on sale and were cheaper than Batiste. It works wonders. It smells so good, which is definitely a problem with dry shampoos. Sometimes they can have an overwhelming scent, but this one does not. It just leaves your hair looking refreshed and not smelling crazy. So I definitely liked this product. Also, how cute is the packaging? Irrelevant to the product itself, but I just love the kind of like retro vibes. Anyway, the approximate value is about $3.54. I also got the Sephora Lash Craft Mascara in their big volume variation. As you can see, the packaging is not open, as I did receive this exact mascara in a Sephora Playbox a few months prior, so I'm still working on that one. I feel like it had to be like 1 or 2 months ago. Like, it was not that long ago. So I have not finished that, but I do like it. I am wearing it currently. I do think it is just a very nice mascara. It is kind of a glam mascara. It's something that I could definitely wear with falsies, so I do enjoy this mascara. And because it is a Sephora collection product, the value is very good. This is worth about $5.60. And then last but not least is possibly my favorite product of the entire Sephora Playbox for March, and that is this mini NARS Laguna bronzer. Now, if you are like an OG makeup person used to wearing makeup or watching makeup videos, you know the Laguna bronzer. Everybody had it, used it all the time. That was just like a staple of OG makeup YouTube. So I am super thrilled to finally have my own. I love it so much. I'm wearing it right now and I've gotten so many compliments on the bronzing. The approximate retail value on this product is amazing as well. It is worth about $12.80. The approximate retail value on this product is amazing as well. It is worth about $12.50. For samples this month, we did get a perfume sample. This is the Versace Bright Crystal Eau de Toilette. I've tried it, don't like it, not a huge fan. So that was everything that I got in my Sephora Playbox for the month of March, bringing the approximate value up to about $30.21, which again is pretty much on par for Sephora Playboxes, so not a bad value. Honestly, it's worth it literally just for the NARS bronzer because that, like I said, retails probably for about $12.50, and if you buy like the mini little sample size, it's usually around $15 on its own, so very good value this month, and I was very pleased with this box. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at hiiiiii, EYELEAH, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day.